What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kiamani, and I'm back with another video. And this wig is from Sunber Hair. This is a 26-inch, 150% density, 13x4 lace front wig. And as you can see, she's this honey blonde-ish color. Although she was only 150% density, I did find that she was very, very full, and she was full from the root all the way down to the tip. Decided for this wig, I wanted to do some almost like Hollywood waves, but just like big hair, teased. And I just thought this color would go perfect with it, with the side part. As you can see, I'm using my 1-inch wand. I got this from, girl, I don't even know, but you can buy a wand anywhere. But I'm not using any product. And I'm letting the curls set in pin curls. This is essential for this style. Really pay attention to the direction that I'm curling the hair, just because this is also essential for the style if you want to get the same look. Once I took off my scarf, I just wanted to make sure everything was intact and all together. And as you can see, my wig cap is like pushed back just a little bit. I do this on purpose because I don't like doing the ball cap method, because I feel like I waste so many wig caps because I do change my hair a lot. So I show you how to finesse that also. Once the hair has completely cooled, you want to take out your pin curls. Next, I'm taking a wig brush. You can also use a dimming brush, and I'm just brushing out the curls and kind of back combing and teasing them just to get them a little bit more full and to kind of shape the hair into what I want it to be. Hot comb is essential when laying a wig. Girl, I paid $10 for this, and as you can see, it's toe up. But this $10 hot comb was better than $40, $50 hot combs that I bought. So that just goes to show you that price does not matter. As you can see here, I have fixed the part. I corrected it with just a little bit of foundation that matched my skin, or that is just a little bit lighter than my skin. I do this a lot, like I said, just so I don't waste too much product. And I'm going to just swoop it. I did this wig in 2 different styles also, just to see which one I like the best. And if you want a super sleek swoop, you just want to spray some free spray on it, but I was running out. And here is when I just pulled it straight back. I just wanted to give it that effortless look. And I got this little clip from the beauty supply. People always ask me where I get my clips and barrettes from. Girl, I get them from the beauty supply. It's just something fun. I always like doing something different, something fun. And I just thought this fit the look perfectly. So if you did want to try this style out yourself, please check the description box down below. So much to Sunber hair, and I'll see you on my next one.